Okay, this is how we will demonstrate how to set a recipe. We're in the production screen now. We'll return, exit, arrow down to settings, enter. Number 2 products, enter. Number 1 edit, enter. Here we have product 1, the name is CS612. We could change that. Right now, this is a target weight of 12.06 pounds. We have a tolerance of 0.2 pounds plus, 0.2 pounds minus. Right now, the fast pre-act is what it will run up to less the target weight. So right now, it will run up to 11.56 pounds, and then it'll switch to the slow trickle. The slow trickle will stop at 0.02 pounds from target, and then everything else is left the same. Hit enter, enter, enter. You can exit, exit, exit. Roll back up to filling, hit enter. We enter, 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 and we're back to the production screen.